Hot coffee?
Well, it's gonna wake you up.
Hot coffee?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's hot. This is the thing where it makes you wake up because it's not cold. And that's science, baby.
You don't look too good.
I've got a little headache.
Well, that's the pain of being a COO. Now all the stress gets put onto you.
See my eye jumping?
That's your fault.
Sometimes you just gotta hug it out.
No, not really.
Let's hug it out, bitch.
Anyways, I'm going to have a meeting with the sales team right now. Talk about some new strategies for in-persons. We put some ideas up on the chopping block yesterday, and I think we have some good progress of new things to come. So gonna hash it out with the sales team, get their feedback, see what they think, see if they have any additional input and ideas, so we could put together something to keep on moving.
Yeah! Alright, who got some contracts? We got some bells to ring.
I guess since no one's gonna speak up, I'll do it first.
Ring my bell. Let's go, Edson.
It's on.
Can you imagine if we try to do that though? There'd be so many bumps.
Oh yeah, no shot. What do you think about this new wall? We got windows.
I kind of want to get it throughout the office. It looks good. Shows all of our core values to the team, so they can look at it every time they walk in and know exactly what they're walking into, exactly what core values they need to live by every single day. So we should have done this years ago.
Dude, you know, they have all these snacks, and every day I'm trying to eat healthy, and Scott, of course, is being a great example, eating his rice cakes and hummus every day.
Gotta eat healthy. Rice cake, hummus, a little chicken.
Let's back at it with the rice and the hummus.
You know what, man? It's actually really healthy. You should try one.
I don't know, man, just keeps him going. He's nonstop. He's on the phone. Look at him. He's on the phone over there. From the rice cakes. It's gotta be it.
What's going on in the office today?
Well, we got Dylan's 3-year anniversary. We have John's happy birthday, which is bagels. Come check this out. So John likes everything perfect. Perfect. Look at his pens.
All right. So what we did here, we did a play on his perfection.
Makes me cringe.
Did it make you twitch?
Because it's like cricket.
And we spelled happy birthday a way that would drive him nuts all day long. And I'm actually surprised he hasn't fixed it as of yet. He did take the pens down though. I think he's gonna like it.
Good job. Love it.
Good times.
I knew it was you right away.
What'd you get your office mate for his birthday?
He's been working really hard. He's a junior dispo guy, so I thought I'd get him something to celebrate his wins on a daily basis, and it was a bottle of champagne. So, congratulations, John.
You got him a bottle of champagne?
Isn't that what that is?
Oh, I thought it was a real one. I was gonna open it.